What's good, fam? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mr. Anonymous for now, and today I've got something big for all the Lekompo lovers. The wait is finally over, guys. The wait is finally over, and the next Lekompo Balcony mix is locked in, and it's going down on the 23rd of August at Zone 6. This one is going to be a shutdown, so listen up because I've got all the details right here. You already know Balcony Mix is not just an event, it's an entire experience. It's where the culture meets the crowd, where the beats of Limpopo shake the whole place, and where Lekompo continues to prove why it's one of the most powerful sounds coming out of South Africa right now. Every Balcony Mix gives us those goosebumps moments, from the DJs dropping unreleased hit, the vocalists moving the whole crowd, and this one, trust me, it's about to raise the bar. So let's talk about the lineup, because this is what's going to make the 23rd unforgettable. So on stage we've got Shandesh, the powerhouse vocalist bringing the soul to every performance. Shandi Mama. On number 2 we have Janesh, setting the vibe with that signature sound. Yowe Kimwanaka. On number 3 we have Abiwa Mampela. You already know the energy he's bringing. On number 4 we have Kaycherlow, Lekompo. He's gonna be there spinning hits and keeping the dance floor alive. Nali Young Boy King, rapping the new generation of Lekompo with pure talent. And last but not least, nearly the master beat, the genius behind the boards, delivering those beats that just don't quit. And that's just a taste. There are more names on the bill ready to tear the stage down. This lineup is stacked with some of the best in the game. Baba. Ariyen Lekompo Balcony Mix. Yawana. Here's what you can expect on the night. Unreleased tracks making their debut right in front of you. Live performances that will have the whole venue singing along. And of course, that one moment when the DJ drops the track and the entire crowd loses their minds. Whether you've been following Lekompo from day one or you're just discovering it now, this is the perfect event to experience the culture in full. So mark your calendars, 23rd of August, Lekompo Balcony Mix at Zone 6. Tickets are already out, so don't wait till the last minute. Get yours today before they sell out. Come through with your friends, your crew, your cousins, because this is where the culture is alive. And trust me, you're going to want to say you were there. I'm telling you. Alright fam, that's the scope. The lineup is stacked, the vibes are guaranteed, and the date is set, 23rd of August. I'll be there, your favorite artist will be there, and I want to see you there too. Before you head out, smash that like button if you're hyped. Drop a comment with the song you're most excited to hear live. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any updates and highlights. This is your boy, Mr. Anonymous for now, signing out. And I'll catch you at the Balcony Mix. Peace.